brick building, we're singing for the king. Doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo-wop. Oh, at a time when you need some hope. Doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo. He's the hope giver. You can't have a life without him. Oh, I'm taking a living Jesus to a dying humanity. He's the only one who frees us from a life of slavery. Shooby-doo-dee-bop, dibby-dibby-dee-dee. I may be old, but I ain't cold. I'm hot. Well, I praise and worship him forever for the good things he has done. He's become the melody of my street corner symphony. Doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo-wop, shooby-doo, shooby-doo-doo-doo-bop, dibby-doo-doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo-wop. Oh, well, I'm taking a living Jesus to a dying humanity. He's the only one who frees us, gives us life and victory, yeah. I got the victory today. About time, I'm 74. I'm on Medicare, baby. But it's never too late. If you're breathing, there's hope. Shoot, bop, dee, bop, dee, bop, dee, dee. Bop, shibby-dibby-dee, bop, dee, dee, bop, dee, bop, dee, bop, doo. He's my symphony. He's so good to me. He's my melody. He's everything to me. Yeah. Growing up in New York, I got to sing with some of the best people. And a good friend of mine is Little Anthony. You remember Little Anthony? Yeah, doo-wop, shooby-doo-doo-wop. Has anybody got a quarter for the jukebox? Remember the quarter? You get 3 plays. Here's Little Anthony. Anthony's a good friend of mine. The other day I was watching him online. He was talking about when he grew up in Brooklyn, he used to sing on the street corner with his friends. He had all the hits back then. You remember Shimmy, Shimmy, Cocoa Bop, Shimmy, Shimmy, Bop. And Hurt So Bad, I'm on the outside looking in, tears on my pillow. And so somebody was telling him how to sing because he was a little bashful. And so somebody said, listen to Nat King Cole. So he was listening to Nat King Cole and the way he phrased his words. So when he came out with, you don't remember me, but I remember you.
Oh, really?
'Twas not so long ago, you broke my heart in two. You know the rest of it, right?